because you don't need to like keep scanning from the left because you already know the direction it's gonna be in.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
it's like
Yeah. Yeah. So get
instead of
another
just like going over, yeah,
triangulation.
it's like instead of going from one side, you get an idea of both sides. So it's a better way you can like distance estimate how far it is.
Gotcha.
And
Gotcha. Gotcha.
also, another thing, settings changes, and just you kind of swam down a little far, which is I think probably why you took more damage, and you might get punished because you have what 20 flesh and 3 stew, and it's like you're probably gonna be end up hungry setting later.
But so
And I here
okay.
actually no, I think here specifically in the overworld, if you want to eat, especially when you have flesh, eat the flesh because you should never be taking damage in the overworld. So, and you're gonna have the time to eat the flesh and then heal
Right.
slowly,
No.
and
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
stew kind of allows you to be more aggressive. And then also just I'll just kind of mention these throughout as well. Just like make sure you like when you craft the shears, just make sure like to try and break the leaves first, and then while you pick the leaves, you break the logs. And then it's just also like
Yeah.
still
That's like
because you
fuck. That's like
updated.
knew that. I knew that.
I
I knew
understand
that.
that it's easier for me and like I think specifically silver because we have a lot of experience in 1.7, so it's like we have like countless hours of doing that stuff, so it's easier. But it's yeah, it's also like you up. It's just I'll just try and like mention this throughout. It's just so it's like just like kind of like still like gotta get in your head a little bit. Just like constantly immediately up the increase your energy distance so you can always be able to quickly look around and like get an idea of where you want to go. Because like okay, I will say like I don't there's a ravine to your right or like behind you now, but
Yeah. I guess I'll go over there. I just
like you see that to your top right a little bit?
yeah.
That's what
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
looking at.
I also see one
It's
to my
just like
left here.
yeah, I see that. Okay, that looks also good. It's
Hmm.
really wanted
So
to
did I mess
do.
this up? Would you say, or is this like just kind of RNG?
Uh, I don't know. I mean, it's like it's hard for me to say with the bit rate. I mean, if you want, you can just like boat around, just like see where it actually is, and like so we can like go from that. But like, sometimes I know I will make mistakes as well. But with getting these,
Like
I
probably it's
also
just like
wouldn't
I'm not
say
looking around the
because
island enough.
yeah, because if you don't know where you go, you should always be looking around the island for at least a ravine or like a kelp spike because still like I think it's 10 to 12. I might be wrong. Like it's gonna be in a rough radius or whatever from the ship, so it's like it very easily could be on this side of the island that you were on. And it's like always good to just like look, or maybe you just get something, you just get lucky and there's like a better magma ravine closer. That's
Wait,
where
where
the
is this
trees
thing?
are. It's like okay, yeah, this looks actually I'm so confused. Um, I honestly, I think at this point, I would probably try and commit to the other side of the monument because
Okay, let's go to the other
surely
side of
that
the
has
monument.
it just has. Okay, this does look kind of cooked. Like I just don't know because like yeah, because I guess if your situation